So the video broke. So part 2, about Belial being primarily Jupiterian. That's his core nature as I see it. And he's been with me constantly now for 3, 4, up to 5, I don't know, years. So then he's got, I don't know, his like second, he's overlaid the signs. He's like Aries. He's got Aries going on, and he's got some first ray, if you know esoteric astrology, some first ray shit going on. Pluto rules the first ray, so he's got some Plutonian shit going on. But he's primarily Jupiterian. Little Mercury, but not much. Not the aspect of him that is here anyway. He's primarily here in his imp version, and he's bigger, larger. He's got another side to him where he's more, if you think of the Devas as more big, that's the version of him that's here. He's got an Asuric side that's a smaller, more teenager-like, good-looking, real sexy type of, that's more mercurial. But don't know that aspect. That I wasn't so interested in getting to know that aspect so well. So but I think that more Asuric, sexy teenager boyish type is the one that a lot of women fall in love with. I fell straight in love with that one, but the one who seems to rule his archetype, Belial as he is, he seems to be the bigger Devic one. So that's who I chose to interact with, because I don't know why. It just became that way. I don't know. He can shift shape, but he, and no matter, he never cares what I want or think. Anyway, he just does what he wants to, totally unempathic, and so it just became that way. He decided to be that way, and I don't think what I wished or wanted mattered at all. But that's how it went anyway. So that's how I experience him, as in the aspect that he's here in, primarily Jupiterian, and I don't think that would change, even if he would be in his other aspect, the more smaller teenager you one, sexy, fancy one. I think his core nature anyway would be Jupiterian. With, of course, living here, engaging with humans, becoming the sum of all things, like us humans being possessed by different signs, drawn upon different signs, depending on what stage of of his life, the life of the time, the stage, the time of the life in his life, what he I don't know how they switch signs, if it goes just automatically, or as with us humans, or if they draw upon different signs as they choose, as they need to invoke and change signs. I don't know. Their nature is mysterious, and it's hard to grasp. I don't think I'll ever really grasp it fully in human body, ever. No matter if I am in touch with these beings until the day that I die. But anyway, that was part 2 of this video about Belial's core nature as I know him. Peace.